Welcome to the financial exhibition where we'll dive into the intricate world of wholesale banking. It is a cornerstone of financial industry. Now let's start by understanding what the wholesale banking is. Wholesale banking refers to the provision of banking services to large corporations, financial institutions, government entities, etc. It's tailored for these big players in the financial landscape. Now, our friend Nirvaan will explain you what are the uses of wholesale banking. Please, Nirvaan.
Now let's explore the uses of wholesale banking. Wholesale banking refers to the provision of banking solutions for businesses requiring a wide array of services, treasury management, investment banking, and risk management. The application of wholesale banking is broad and vital. It plays a crucial role for facilitating complex financial transactions. Thank you.